There is a saying that says the best adventures are not planned. This week is waterfall to watering hole, and New South Wales was meant to be in Barrington Tops. But torrential rain gave us no choice but to change that plan and make it up on the fly. This week, Tony from GME is along for the ride with, might I add, a brilliant vehicle. He has a positive attitude and he's going to need it this trip.
If you really squint and look up here, there is a bit of water running down the cliff.
Right.
Airborne. Perfect weather.
Queensland, get your heart out.
If you want to know where we ended up, make sure you tune in this Sunday 1 p.m. on Channel 10. We'll see you there.